Oh no! Oh, where was I? I lost my page. Oh, hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy origami bookmark. For me, this is really useful because I always try to memorize the number, but sometimes I just forget it. And so this is really useful for me. And I hope it's also convenient for you, and you can really use it, and it's because it marks the page, and that's really cool, I think, because I often lose, I often forget the number and lose my page and stuff, so I really like bookmarks. And so I'm going to start now. So I chose yellow, but you can totally use whichever color you want. And I'm using the paper 15 by 15 centimeters, but you can use any size, like 20 by 20 or 13 by 13. I'll leave that up to you, but I'm going to start now. So you fold the bottom corner to the top corner. I try to be exact, but if something sticks out a bit, it doesn't matter really. Try to make the edges neat. Now you unfold it, turn it around, and fold the same thing. So you end up with this triangle. You do not unfold this time, but you take this flap here and fold it down. So this corner here touches this edge. Now we fold this corner at the side into this pocket to this line here. So you can totally start like that and then fold it in. Make sure that you don't end up like this, but kind of have it pointy at the side. And you repeat that here. You can also have it like this if you want, but I like to have it neat and tidy. Fold it in. And you should end up with this diamond here. And now you just flip it around and you have your bookmark. This was actually pretty easy to make, but it's really convenient, as I told you. I'm going to draw eyes on and maybe stick something on it or something. I'm going to get stuff now, so see you in a moment. So I'm going to draw the eyes. And here. So that's the eyes, now the mouth. You have to be careful so your pen doesn't get stuck there. So that's so cute, I think. And now I'm going to cut out some ears to stick there. So I've got this red paper because, as most of you know, my favorite color is red. And so I'm going to draw those ears. Cut them out. One, two, going to glue them onto here. I'm gonna apply glue to the back of this here. This can be a bit hard. Number one. Make sure not to get any glue on the table. And number two. I've got these cute little ears, and I really like that it took us less than 1 minute to make. Like, really, about 1 minute, like the folding step. And then the eyes and the ears took us about 1 minute too, so it doesn't take a lot of your time, and it's really cute and adorable, and I think it's really convenient. So, see you, bye! There, as you can see, I've bookmarked this page now, and so it's all marked now, and there's no more forgetting which page I'm on anymore, starting now! So I hope you liked it, and I hope you liked this idea too. See you next time, bye! I hope you liked this video. I'm going to be making more origami videos, so if you like it, please subscribe to my channel.